This is Brief Briefing. Bloomberg's ETF Whisper says the SEC could approve a Bitcoin ETF. Now that Canada has its BTC ETF, he argued that an approval from the US Securities and Exchange Commission is just around the corner. He stated, "I think it is just a matter of time the SEC comes around. And then once they come around, mentally, I imagine it will happen pretty quickly," he said. But again, I'm not in that bubble. I'm not a regulatory analyst. That's just my sense from talking to people. He believes that how Canada has historically been a proving ground for novel finance products, also the differences and similarities in the Canadian US approval process, which is basically the United States is going to observe what is going to happen in the Canadian markets and will likely adopt it as soon as they feel comfortable. Kraken offers refunds to crypto exchange traders hit by ETH price fall. On February 22nd, the price of Ethereum fell to 700, liquidating a lot of people. Chief Executive Joel Powell took to Twitter explaining that the price moves was caused by extreme selling, while also calling for customers not to trade with leverage if they don't understand the risk. But in an apparent volte-face, Kraken has been offering to refund customers through the week. A report from New Money Review, the news site, suggests that Kraken clients have been offered refunds ranging in sizes from 5% to 50% of their losses. They found some bugs in their code. They're feeling a little sketched out, likely. Galaxy Digital co-president explains two things deterring institutional crypto buying. The co-president explained, "When we think about the conversations we have with corporate and institutional clients and any part of these constituencies considering investing in the sector, the first order problem is safety, and are the assets that they're buying going to be safe and available and secure?" Vanderwolf told Bloomberg in an interview on Thursday. The second order problem, particularly for the corporates, is the tax treatment and the way that, particularly under the GAAP accounting in the US, Bitcoin is viewed as an intangible asset, he added. Cardano's ADA is now the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Transactions on L2 have been disabled and continue to be disabled. In a statement, Jin said, "In summary, we have an outage for the past 18 hours where users have been unable to execute new transactions. Users' funds have not been at risk, and we expect to be fully up in the next 23 to 36 hours. All that's left is to test and fix thoroughly. Known details below. New information will be shared promptly." That was yesterday at 10 p.m. And they are still working on it. Looks like Optimistic Rollup has a lot of bugs in it. Bitcoin currently trading at 47K, down on the 7-day moving average 14%. Ethereum 1.5K, 23% on that 7 moving average. Cardano $1.28, up 37% on that 7-day moving average. Let's look at the big movers. And here we have Phantom, Airweave, Pundi, Halo, Polygon, Cardano, BitMEX, Stacks. Stacks is about to have an airdrop. Should have done a video about that, but there you go. They're about to have it. Not too sure about the details. Pundi X is ridiculous. Phantom has been out for a long time. You might want to look into that. Thank you for your valuable time. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Let me know what you think below. Do you think that Bloomberg is correct on that ETF? Kraken offering refunds. Are they being too nice? Galaxy's Digital's co-president's opinion on why institutions are not adopting as quickly as they would like. And what do you think of Optimistic Rollup having these bug issues, making it impossible to use the asset that is Synthetix? Like, subscribe, and as always, have a good one.